Hi, welcome to Bota Heavy Industry Company. For all the machine we are making, mostly about automatic welding system. For all the machine before delivery, either we will have customer testing with us. That means when we are testing the machine, the customer will watch the live video to see how we are testing, or just right now we are taking a video and then we upload to the Google Drive and show the link to the customer. So before delivery, the customer will have a very clear view of their machine. So also right now you can see the machine is not being painted because we only paint after we test the machine, after we disassemble the machine, and then we will paint. So I'm going to show you this machine. This is a 3x1 welding column and boom. That means 3 meters elevating and 1 meter horizontal. This machine is for Russian customer. They are using the Altai brand. This brand is quite popular in Russia, in Spain, in some European countries also. That is a 1000 amperage with a submerged arc welding head, the flux recovery system, and most importantly, it is with advanced PLC. Also, you can see here with video monitoring. Okay, so I'll show you more closely. This PLC has 2 screens. This is a more detailed PLC panel, and this is the PLC remoter with all the same button. The same button on the PLC panel. This is the Altai welding machine with 1000 amperage, showing the current and voltage with the positive welding cable going to the welding head, and also the negative welding panel goes to the welding head. Sorry, the positive goes to the and we will see this control box. This control box has the international brand of the Schneider Electricals, Siemens PLC, and Siemens inverter, and also more Schneider Electricals. And let's go to see the back of the machine. So here you are going to see the flux recovery machine. For Russia, we are using the flux recovery machine with heating function. You can see this is nameplate of the flux recovery machine, the meters. So you will see when you receive the flux machine, you will use the air tank, the air compressor. So here there is a wire spool with a wire, and all the cables here, you will see all the cables will go to the cable manager, and you can see very clearly about the crossbar. You can see here, this is style, and the cable can also enter the tube. This is a motorized rotating style with a motor. Electric motor can rotate, motorized 360 degrees. And also with our motorized style, we have the welding. We have the platform holder for the welding machine and the control box. Okay, this is the submerged arc welding head with a 100 by 100 cross slider, can have fine tune, go up and down, left and right. This is the wire. For this, we will change it to English later. This is the welding head. And also here the laser pointer. Laser pointer, you can see the laser here, the red dot here. And this is the panel of the welding machine. So here we are using a hanging PLC. This is the PLC panel. We have Russian, English, Chinese. We can have different kinds of language based on customer desire. We can use Spanish. We can 这现在调不了。We can use Spanish, Russian, English, Arabic, Portuguese, Indonesian, all kinds of language you are using. Also, here we printed Russian, so it's very convenient to use. 好，可以。